Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can start speaking English more naturally in just 7 days. It sounds fast, right? But here's the interesting part. You won't study long grammar lessons. You won't memorize big lists. You will copy real speech the smart way. Most people never try this, and that's why they stay stuck. But you won't. Stay with me until the end because each day builds on the next, and by day 7, you may hear yourself speaking in a new way. Before we begin, tap subscribe, like this video, and tell me in the comments where you are learning English from. It helps this channel grow, and it helps me make better lessons for you. Let's start. Chapter 1, The First Morning Change. On the first day, we make one simple move. We listen, but we don't listen like a student. We listen like an actor. I play a short, real-life conversation. You listen once. Simple. But here's the strange part. The second time you open your mouth, you speak at the same time as the audio, word by word, sound by sound. This is called shadowing. Most people never notice how powerful it is. They think, I understand it. That's enough. But understanding is not speaking. When you shadow, your brain hears English, but it also hears your own voice copying it. It starts to connect rhythm, stress, and flow. And suddenly, English stops feeling like a puzzle. It becomes music. Let me show you what changed everything for so many learners. They did not pause the audio when they made mistakes. They kept going. They sounded funny. They laughed. But their mouth kept moving. After only 10 minutes, they felt warm confidence. Small, but real. You do this 3 times. Listen once, shadow twice. Then whisper it one more time on your own. It takes about 7 minutes. That's it. But here is the big surprise: you already start to feel faster. Most people think progress comes at the end. It actually starts on day 1. And tomorrow, we make it even stronger. Chapter 2, The Supermarket Story. Day 2 uses a simple story. A woman goes to the supermarket. Easy English. Short sentences. But this story hides real everyday phrases you hear everywhere. Do you need a bag? That will be $5. Have a nice day. Sounds basic. But here's the strange part: when people face a real cashier, they freeze. Why? Because they never practice saying these lines out loud, in real time. So today, you shadow a full conversation. You copy the tone, you copy the speed. And then we do something new. You change one detail. Instead of supermarket, you say pharmacy. Instead of $5, you say 10. This tiny change forces your brain to build sentences, not just repeat them. Let me show you what changed everything. For one learner, she practiced this for a week. Then she walked into a real store. The words came out by themselves. No panic, just flow. Most people never notice how powerful repetition with small changes can be. It is like lifting a light weight many times. Soon, your muscles grow. The same happens in your mouth. After today, you will start catching phrases on TV and thinking, hey, I can say that. That thought alone is fuel. And tomorrow, we move into real emotions, and that is where speaking becomes natural. Chapter 3, The Coffee Shop Confidence. Now, we take the story to a coffee shop. Why? Because emotions live here. You are tired. You want something sweet. The barista smiles. Suddenly, your voice matters. But here's the surprising part. When feelings enter, mistakes feel bigger. People get shy. They whisper. So we shadow a friendly coffee shop scene. But this time, you add emotion to your voice. Warm, curious, calm. You say, hi, how are you? With real energy. You say, can I get a latte? With gentle confidence. And then we practice something most people never practice: small talk. Busy day? The weather is nice today. It feels simple, but in real life, these tiny lines open doors. Let me show you what changed everything. When you practice emotion, your pronunciation improves automatically. Your mouth moves wider, your breath supports the sound. You start sounding more natural without thinking about rules. And here's the strange part: after just one day of this, many learners report that they want to speak more. Not because they must, because it feels good. By the end of this chapter, you shadow, then you act it alone, then you switch roles. You play the barista, you play the customer, you control both sides. And tomorrow, we add speed and everything starts to click. Chapter 4: The Speed Challenge. Today feels different. The story gets slightly faster. Not too fast, just enough to push you. Most people run away when English becomes quick, but not you. You shadow the fast version, and maybe you miss words. That's okay. Here's the secret almost nobody tells you: your brain learns speed by failing at speed. We play the clip again. You try again. You miss less. Then, once more. Suddenly, your tongue moves without asking permission. This is the strange part: your brain begins predicting the next word. It feels like magic, but it is science. Repetition builds automatic pathways. Let me show you what changed everything for many students. Instead of asking, "Did I say it perfectly?" they asked, "Did I keep going?" And when they did, improvement came faster than they expected. You also record yourself today, just your phone, 30 seconds. You listen back. You will hear something new. Maybe smoother intonation, maybe clearer endings. And that tiny improvement creates motivation. Most people never notice this daily progress. They quit on day 4. You won't. Because tomorrow we bring your real life into the practice, and now English truly becomes yours. Chapter 5: Your Life, Your Sentences. Today, the story changes because it becomes your story. You take the structure from yesterday and you fill it with your own life. I wake up early. I go to work. I talk to my friend. Simple lines. But here's the powerful part: you shadow first, then rewrite the same story using your real day. Let me show you what changed everything. When learners talk about their own lives, memory becomes automatic. You are not remembering English. You are remembering your day, and English becomes the tool. Most people never notice this shift, but once it happens, speaking feels natural. You shadow your new story. You add emotion. You add speed. You add tiny details. I missed the bus. I laughed with my coworker. I cooked dinner. Suddenly, your English has color. And here's the strange part: you start thinking in English for short moments, not all day, just small pieces. But those pieces grow. At the end of this chapter, you repeat your story while walking, while washing dishes, while waiting. Short practice, real life. Tomorrow, we finish with the final upgrade, and this is where 7 days turn into a habit. Chapter 6: The 7-Day Breakthrough. This is the last day. You take everything together: listening, shadowing, emotion, speed, and real life sentences. But today, you also teach. You pretend there is a friend next to you. You explain the story to them. Teaching forces clarity. And here's the surprising part: when you teach, you hear your weak spots. Then you fix them. Most people never do this final step. They stop at practice. But you go one layer deeper. You shadow once more. You record one more short clip. You compare it to day 1, and you notice it: smoother sounds, faster rhythm, fewer pauses. It may not be perfect. It doesn't need to be. Progress is the goal. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners after this week. They stopped calling themselves bad at English. They started saying, I am improving. That small sentence changes your brain. It opens doors. It invites more practice. And here's the strange part. After 7 days, speaking English feels less like a task and more like a habit, like brushing your teeth. So keep shadowing. 7 minutes a day. Real stories, real voice. And if you want more lessons like this, stay with this channel because we keep learning together. If this video helped you, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment, I'm ready for 7 days. So I know you're joining the challenge. See you in the next video, and keep speaking.